What's up, guys?
We are traveling again. So I just arrived at Ho Chi Minh and supposedly my touchdown is supposed to be 5:15 Vietnam time, which is actually 6:15, right? But it actually got delayed. And okay, never mind. So like one thing that pisses me off is that the custom took super long. So we actually waited for like 1 hour to clear the custom, and before my flight even reached, right, I think there's this whole batch of people that is stuck at the custom clearance as well. So everything was like damn long, and then it's okay. Now that it's already like we came out and we were so lost that we couldn't find like where's the pickup of the Grab, and time check now is already 7:30 PM in Vietnam, which is Singapore's like 8:30, so we wasted like 3 hours. First food in Vietnam, which is this thing called banh mi, don't know what, breadstick, because it's like damn late now and then we are still waiting for our Grab. Anyway, this is like chicken, shredded chicken, but you can't even see it's like chicken at all. I don't know what this is, but it's like floss, I guess. And this has just tastes like chicken floss. So we just checked in our hotel and now it's already like 9+ in Vietnam. So we are heading to our dinner place that is luckily 6 minutes walk from our hotel. Okay, we just did a quick dinner. Honestly, didn't really enjoy the food because like we didn't have time to actually properly choose our meal because it was like actually quite late lah. So I was rushing for time and I wanted to just eat a quick one. So we just anyhow order. So maybe that's why we didn't really enjoy all the food. Honestly, which is the best dish?
Either the beef or the soup.
Yeah, same lah. That's why I really have high expectation for the spring roll, but honestly, it's not even that good lor. It's disappointing. Room tour. Okay, so actually we have a very small room. So this is our bedroom, and then we have like a desk here, TV, coffees, fridge, and then here is our bathroom. Yeah, so that's about it. It's actually a very small hotel room. Just get ready in the morning and now we're heading down for breakfast.
Draw some spot.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, let me see.
And we took a Grab now to our next place. So this morning we're going to start off with a workshop for our jewelry making. So we are going to make our own ring. here's our ring. Should I ring? Oh. Just did our ring ourselves for each other. We randomly walk into like a street shop that sells like a drink cause we damn thirsty and hot. And we just ordered a milk tea and look at this damn big. And it's only for like 26 dong, which is like $1 plus in SGD. And inside got super many tapalang liao. And we didn't even know that it's so big eh. Wow, you see you?
This is normal milk tea but with a lot of 料 Tastes like what?
I don't know what this is.
Is it nice? Nice for you? Comparable?
Okay lah, okay lah. Somewhere. Mama phải open cái Wait được không?
So after walking for so long, we finally came to the new playground and we're just gonna look around here. We just sell a lot of like many clothes like streetwears and all. Here we are, just arrived at the Lots Market. So here is actually like a flea market and yeah, sell a lot of clothes, a lot of souvenirs. We are climbing a flight of stairs just to drink coffee. Hello? What? Why is so long? He's drinking a coffee from this very popular Chong Cafe. And it's yummy! We got our coffee just now. We actually went back to our hotel because we were like damn tired and it was so hot that we need to rinse and rest. So now we are finally out again and we are heading to our dinner place. So see you there!
And I like when you say I'm the one you're so easy to love. Yeah, easy to love. Yeah, you're so easy to love. And I like when you say I'm the one you're so easy to love. Yeah, easy to love, yeah. Yeah, I can even focus on sleeping. You're so pretty every day I'm thinking. Baby, could you help me cause I'm freezing. If you want to see me it's cause you mean.
Also actually help us to get it. Oh my god! So currently we are at a nightlife street and it's honestly super crowded, super amazing and very noisy.
Today's breakfast, we decided to skip the hotel breakfast and come and eat the Little Hanoi egg coffee. Wow, the sun damn hot, oh my god. Very milky. We had scrambled egg and salad platter and avocados and toast with scrambled egg. our post, and then now we are going to post it out. So we just went to Saigon Central Post Office, and now we are currently at Book Street. Now we are heading to the Independent Palace. Hot as hell, oh my god. And so basically this is just like a museum where they show like last time all the presidents have like their meetings and etc. here. Finally at M Market having our lunch. So this is our first street food. And we always wanted to have like the kind of experience, you know, eating in a street food. Yeah, so excited. So we ordered a bamboo, which is this, and this is apparently their coconut sweet soup. And we have just our banh xeo, which is my favorite here that I've covered in Vietnam. I found a new method to eat this pancake, which is to cut the pancake, put it on the lettuce, close it, and then dip into this sauce. My energy level is 30%, and now we are heading to photo studio because we decided to take it here in Vietnam since it's cheaper compared to Singapore. Currently we are at some street food market now, and we are going to have our dinner here. So we just got some very popular rice flour thingy that I will show you later. And then we just ordered some seafood. This is some rice flour, all the different mixture is in the one blender. This is beef. This is rice paper mixed in like a salad kind of thing. And this is soda. How do you feel about the food?
Hey, I don't even know. Okay.
Which one is your favorite? Squeeze! Why not everybody order the matcha? It's so good. It's our last full day of itinerary, and we're just so damn tired. So now it's actually 9 AM in Vietnam, and yeah, we're about to head off to breakfast. So tired. See, look at our face.
Let's go.
Our coffees! Our last breakfast. Just finished side ups and some luncheon meat, ham, and then you dip with the baguette. So it's like a DIY banh mi kind of thing. So you say it's nice? After a long walk, we just reached landmark 81. The weather is so hot, so we cook like lychee, what's this? Yeah, lychee jasmine tea. Actually, we wanted like to try their coffee, but then nah, coffee is not for now. Eh, not bad. We just reached this landmark 81, the sky view of it, and we are at level 79. Currently, we are Remark shopping on our last day to buy back some snacks and souvenirs back to Singapore. And I finally found my childhood. After so long that I've been finding from like FairPrice in Singapore, because I used to eat these when I was like much younger, and I could no longer find this even on Shopee, online or whatever. And I finally find it here. Oh my god, I'm gonna get this! So we have settled down at just a random Vietnamese restaurant because I said I wanted to eat some pho and like try new flavors. And apparently there isn't much Vietnamese choices in this mall that we are in, because like most of our food are like Thai and Korean. So yeah, but then through the menu we cannot really find much choices of pho, so we just settled with like some random bestseller over here. What's this? Ngo Hyong thingy. Hop? It's pop.
I don't know what I ordered. Fish cake.
Noodles with the sauce, but no idea what the hell is that sauce, cause we wanted soup and we didn't know that it's dry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Smell like duck. It's like Malay.
Pork belly. The last dish, wonton. Try the wonton. What's the thought? I feel like sometimes right, we have to just randomly walk into a place. Then this way we discover like amazing food that we didn't know of. Like you see the review is actually like very... Okay, so we just finished our lunchy. How was it?
Not bad.
Not bad. Okay, very good. So now we are going to walk back to our hotel like halfway because it's 2 km walk, so we're going to do some walking again, carrying these huge ass bags of shit that we just buy. It's okay, we shall walk a bit to exercise. Okay? Okay? Okay?
It's not much.
No, exercise, okay?
Okay.
Went back home to wash up and now we just left house. It's only 6:20 PM, but honestly here right, the sky is damn dark, like as if it's 8 PM. And we are going to grab our last coffee in Vietnam, which is Catinet. Got our coffee. Bitter but sweet. Nice. Nice.
More lah.
So you prefer this or the like whichever place? Which the best?
You ask me now, I remember.
So on our last day, finally get to eat the Vietnamese pizza that I've been wanting since day one. Because every time when I want to eat, right, we eat damn full, then we cannot eat at all. So this is actually made with rice paper, and on top they put like corn, sausage, cheese, egg, and
thanh xuân, không một giây nào lãng phí. Dù cô là tự do và hối chết ở trong căn ghét chật, để cho thấy được ánh bình minh thì phải chạy sớm một cách. Mở cửa sổ và bạn sẽ hiểu thời gian là gì khi bánh mì trên tay để gặp gỡ nửa ổ. Đã từng có một khoảng thời gian ta chẳng thể viết được câu nào, và thứ tao sợ nhất là cây mai. Quá nhiều áp lực và lo toan trên vai mẹ ơi, quá nhiều áp lực và lo toan thành con trai.
Currently, we just arrived at this night market, which is the furthest away from our hotel. So it was like 8 km plus away, and we took 40 plus minutes here because of like traffic jam. So yeah, it's our last night here. We're gonna enjoy this night market. So now we're gonna have dinner and just stop by a very random like food place again. So today is all like random food places, and honestly we're not really hungry, so we just like order some small food, and also we don't know what we ordered, so yeah. This is honestly the worst quality of ban xiao I've ever eaten the past few days. How is it?
I think it's a normal one.
Oh. Salad on prawn cracker. So we just finished our dinner, and honestly it's the worst dinner I've ever had for the past 3 days, and I'm too full to even enjoy or find a proper food. So quite disappointing, but it's okay. We done shopping at the night market, and now it's 11:30. Just reached opposite our hotel, and we're gonna do our last round of like grocery shopping or something like that.
Yeah.
Circle K, let's go. Spend our money. Spent my last $13, and now we are ready to end our day going back to hotel. 好吃吗？ The mess we have to pack tonight. OMG. Hello, boss.
Oi. What you want?
What's up? Why you counting money? So rich.
How is money is receipt?
A very bad morning. We woke up super duper late. I don't even know if we can make it for our flight or not. What if we can't?